lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
I'm gonna start doing some cleaning. I have a few more load left to wash in the washing machine, so I have one going now and I have like blacks and white. Today I have a lot to wash. Majority of it is gym clothes, to be fair, and then I have my bedding like you guys saw. I've changed my bedding and stuff, so I had to wash that first and then wash the colored bits separately. Now I'm gonna like clean the bathroom, but what I'm gonna do first is basically spray it and then leave the spray in it for now. I should probably take out this hat now since I'm back, but the hair need to be done, okay? I'm gonna I've been wearing like a wig. I haven't put it on in this video because I'm in the house.
You know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only that thing.
So I'm done like spraying the bathroom. I always like to clean the bathroom last because I just get to shower right after I'm done cleaning, and that way, I don't know, it's just a habit. I just like doing everything else and then I will do the bathroom last and then shower and then come out and try and relax. So that's what I'm gonna like try and do today. I'm done with the kitchen. I need to hoover out and I'm pretty much done with this area as well, and I'm gonna move into the bathroom. I'm very hungry though. I need to get something to eat. I'm thinking to put some wings in the air fryer just so it can go on like do its thing meanwhile I'm cleaning the bathroom, and then I can stop and eat when it's like done. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm gonna hoover first. Actually, I can put the wings in while I'm hoovering just so it can like finish. I'm not entirely sure how much I have left, to be fair. I'm hoping that it's quite a few. I do have some potato wedges as well. These air fryer liners, like literally they're so good. Oh, I have a bit in there. I mean 4 wings. I would have hoped for like 6 or 7, but this will have to work. Right, so I'll put this in the air fryer. I love have like quick meals like these, so I can just chuck in the air fryer and have something to eat. I'm gonna also make like a protein shake as well. I'm gonna make one of my weight gainer one. Actually, do I have weight mass gainer? I'm gonna have to use other protein shake, but I have like fruits and stuff, so I'm gonna make like a proper one. But this is what that's looking like. I'm gonna chuck it in the air fryer for a few minutes.
Keep your guards up, waiting line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons.
Done making my shake. It literally tastes so good. I was like filming it for TikTok. My food is done as well. I'm also gonna be making some curry chicken. I'm gonna prep that so I can have it to eat for a few days. Right, I'm gonna eat this quickly and then we're gonna head to the bathroom to kind of finish things up as well.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you
I'm done cleaning the bathroom. Also just got out the shower as well. I'm trying to like set up my camera, but I broke this the other day. One of the pins fell out and I kind of put it back together, but I didn't put the other part in, this part. And now I'm trying to like see how it was before, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna do like a quick face mask. I'm gonna wet my face just so the mask has something to dry into. I'm gonna use my brush, this one, put my face mask on, and I'm gonna go with this one today from Kiehl's. It's their rare earth mask. Really love this one. You know which mask I haven't done in a while? The Himalayan clay mask. That really like suck things out with the apple cider vinegar. I wonder where I put it. I should have the powder somewhere. Not too sure where it is, but I know I had some, and I know I have like apple cider vinegar somewhere. Can that expire? Probably expire if it can. It might be underneath my sink.
tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself.
I'm gonna let that dry for a few minutes while I go in and season my chicken and stuff. I haven't had curry chicken in a while, so I'm very excited to make this. I'm gonna just cook some rice. I have some sweet potato. I could do some dumpling, sweet potato, that type of thing, but honestly I can't bother for needing that right now. And I'm also gonna like do my nails. I'm not gonna do any gel on my nails. This right now that I have on, it is just like a gel care thing, like a 81 thing, because my nails are very like brittly and they're like they're just soft, and I just feel like I've damaged them, or maybe from the acrylic and then the gel and everything kind of like damage them and make them feel really soft. So I'm kind of like giving myself a little bit of break from the gel for now and just use this just to kind of get my nails really hard. That way I don't really have to feel like I always have to like put gel and go underneath the UV type of thing.
There's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I'm wildin' too. Not like you.
Early?
Maybe
Hour.
I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts.
I washed this off my face now. I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna tone my face and I'm using this Ren toner, like you guys know the drill. Absolutely love this toner. I'm gonna go in with the essence next. Like this makes my skin feel so soft, like it just gives it that really nice plumped feel. So I'm gonna use this. Just put some in my hand, put some hyaluronic acid on. I'm using this one from The Ordinary. Okay, moisturizer. I'm gonna use this one from Ren. This moisturizer, it's in like a small jar, but a little bit goes such a long way. Okay, let me grab the polish and show you the polish that I'm going to be putting on my nails. I'm not going to do it now because I'm cooking the curry and I don't want, when I'm eating it and everything, I don't want it to like mess up my nails. So I'm going to wait until I'm like done and then I can like do the polishes and stuff, but I'll show you like the color and stuff that I'm gonna do. So this is the one. I did say it was called Peaches, but that's definitely not the way it's pronounced. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. This one is the top coat, base coat. You don't need to see this because these are like just clear polishes, but I'll show you what the bottle looks like just in case you're a little bit curious. This is what she looks like. The color that I'm gonna do is this really light pinkish color. I think it's very pretty, and like I said, it's just normal polish. I'm trying to like give myself a little bit of break underneath the UV light for now and just wear some of these. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna put on my nails. I'm gonna finish cooking and stuff, cooking my dinner. I did turn off the vents. I'm kind of like looking over there of the steam just going up, so not vents, so I can talk to you guys. I'm gonna finish cooking my dinner. I'm still gonna eat and I kind of like relax for the rest of the night. So I'm probably gonna just end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.